We're going to walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to download Instagram on your iPhone. Whether you're new to the iPhone or just looking for a refresher on how to get your favorite social media app installed, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly cover why you'd want Instagram on your iPhone. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms, allowing you to share photos, videos, stories, and reels with your friends and followers. You get access to cool editing tools for your photos and videos right from your phone. Instagram lets you explore new content based on your interests and even shop from your favorite brands directly within the app. Now that you know why it's a must-have app, let's walk through how to download it on your iPhone. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of downloading Instagram on your iPhone. The process is very simple, and it'll only take a few minutes. Locate the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. It looks like a blue box with a white A in the middle. Tap on the icon to open the App Store. Once the App Store is open, tap on the Search tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram and hit the search button. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Instagram app, which should appear at the top of the list. It's easily recognizable by the multicolored camera icon. Tap on the Instagram app icon to view more details. Once you're on the Instagram app page, tap the button that says Get. If you already downloaded the app in the past, you will see a cloud icon. Tap on that cloud icon to install the app again. Your iPhone may ask you to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. After confirming, the app will start downloading. You'll see a circular progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. Once the download is finished, the Get button will turn into Open. Now Instagram is officially on your iPhone. Tap Open to launch Instagram for the first time. If you already have an Instagram account, enter your login details. If you're new to Instagram, tap Create New Account and follow the prompts to create a new account. Now that you have Instagram installed, here are a few quick tips to make the most of the app on your iPhone. After downloading, Instagram will ask if you want to enable notifications. Tap Allow to stay updated on likes, comments, and direct messages. Instagram will require access to your iPhone's camera and photo library to allow you to upload pictures and videos. Make sure to grant permission when asked. If you want added security, enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster logins and to keep your account secure. Instagram on iPhone supports features like live photos and advanced editing. So take advantage of those if you enjoy creating unique content. And there you have it. Downloading Instagram on your iPhone is quick and easy. Once you've got the app, you can connect with friends, share your favorite moments, and discover exciting content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.